It's almost time to begin your Cambria journey, so let's walk you through the steps to say yes to your place. Step 1. Head to your inbox and find the email entitled Say Yes to Your Place. This will be sent from GCSE results day onwards. Read it carefully. It contains important info about accepting your place, changing courses, or saying no if you've made other plans. Step 2. How do you actually say yes to your place? If you're an A-level learner, you must visit one of our sites in person, and don't forget to bring a copy of your grades. If you're not an A-level learner, it's even easier. Just click the link in your email to say yes online. Don't worry, Cambria offers a wide range of courses at all levels. Just come and chat with us. Our teams are here to help with advice and guidance. Check your Say Yes to Your Place email for dates, times and locations. Changed your mind? No problem. As long as there are places available and you meet the requirements, you can switch courses. But you'll need to come in and speak to our team in person. And again, bring your grades. If you've decided Cambria is not for you this year, please click the link in your email and say no to your place. Step 3. Once you've said yes, keep an eye out for your start date email. This will include your induction info, your student ID card details, and much more. Step 4. Need extra support? We've got you covered. Transport or bus pass? Email transport@cambria.ac.uk. Childcare or financial support? Email studentservices@cambria.ac.uk. Study support? Email learning.support@cambria.ac.uk. Timetables or ID photo help? Email lifts@cambria.ac.uk. New course inquiries? Email admissions@cambria.ac.uk. So that's it. You're ready to say yes to your place at Cambria. We can't wait to welcome you.